Y'all ever just be staring at yourself for like a half hour at a time? It happens, okay? It happens. Some people call me conceited. It's like, no, bro. It's just, I'm confident, bro. I'm confident. You know what I'm saying? Can't nobody in this world bring me down. Only person I'm in competition with is myself. Don't compare me to nobody. I'm me. At the end of the day, I'm me. But, welcome back to another video. Today I got something special for y'all. Now I just gave y'all that last one, right? This one is a little bit different. And I haven't done one of these since, I would say, last year. And I mean like last year, like deep last, like early last year. This is cats in full panic mode. And I'm gonna make this a try not to laugh. Now, if y'all do laugh, make sure y'all hit me with a nice little subscribe or click that like button. Make sure you do that. If you don't laugh, congratulations. Like here you go. I mean, what's not to laugh about with cats, my guy? Like, are they not? Cats are like some of the funniest animals, bro. Like next to dogs, but cats are more, you know, limber, flexible. Like they're more active. It's funnier. Their scared reactions are a lot funnier. But you know what? I'm gonna give myself 2 tries. Give myself 2 times to laugh. And if I do laugh, y'all gotta think. I could think of a challenge for myself. If I do laugh, give me some ideas of stuff I could do if I do laugh. But if y'all laugh, make sure y'all give me a like and a subscribe if you haven't already. Without further ado, I know this intro is a little bit longer than expected, but without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay. Oh, no, I was just clearing my throat. I'm teary-eyed already. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. It's easy. It's light work. It's light work. He don't know where to go. All I can see in the cat head is like, fuck. Like just. Oh, the infamous cucumber. I want to try that with my cat. Like, what the fuck is this? Damn it. That's one. We got this. I ain't gonna laugh. Watch.
Sexiest secret spot that I've been to is in Costa Rica. There's waterfalls normally by the volcano.
They scatter how black people scatter when they laugh. That don't count. My God, yo, cats are too funny. Damn, he got hops. Yo, I lost. Fuck it. Fuck it, bro. I lost. Oh, shit. He just committed suicide. That's not funny. Suicide is not funny. Unless it's on a video game. What the fuck? A tall ass cat. What the hell? You're gonna sit on Sonic,
Sit
bro.
on the hedgehog.
Oh my god. Did y'all win? Did y'all? Let me know if y'all won or not. Like, that was, I can't. That, if you don't laugh at, if you haven't laughed at any of these videos, I honestly feel sorry for you. You must have had a traumatic experience with cats. Like, you gotta learn to live, love, and laugh. That's a tat on right here on my arm. That's what it says. Live, or does it live, laugh, and anyway, it's them 3 words right there on my shits. But if y'all did laugh, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. If you didn't laugh, also give me a like, share, and subscribe. I mean, hey, yeah, listen, help a brother out. You show me love, I show you love right back. It's that simple. But thank y'all for clicking this video. Hope y'all have a good night. Make sure you tune into the next video. Also, click that bell if you haven't already. I'm gonna see y'all next time. I'm out of here. Peace.